Hello everyone, this video is all about advanced price list variant management. So basically the functionality of this module is if we have any variant in the product and we want to create a new price list for the variant and we will add any extra price in the variant, it will automatically create a price list for that same variant. So let's see how this module will work. First of all, we go into the inventory. Under inventory, we go into the product and let's see, let's suppose I go into this cable management box, and here right now we don't have any variant of this product. So first of all, we create a new variant for the product. I'm going with the color and values. I will adding the values. We will save this, and here you can see variant is created, and right now we doesn't have any price list rule for this product. So we go into the variant. Under variant, here you can see we have only sales price. We don't have any extra price or anything. So I go into the product, and here we have one tab of extra price. So I am going to add extra price. Let's suppose uh, I want to sell this product at 200. I will save this, and same here you can see extra price is added over here. Now let's suppose this will be 300, cost me 300, and this variant cost me 500 rupees. Okay, so now we will create a sale order, and here you can see we get a price list for the three different variant, as we have added a three extra price list for the three variants, and here you can see all the prices and the price list is created. And now we'll create a sale order. We go into the sales. Let's create a new sale order, and our variant, the product for which we created is cable management box, and here we have three variants. I am going with the wood, and here you can see we are getting the unit price is 200 as we have added over there. So it will automatically fetch and will be assigned over here. Let's suppose if I go with other variant, let's suppose I go with black. We have added 500. Here you can see the price 500, and we'll confirm it. And when we confirm it, our sale order will be created, and then we can create an invoice and everything. So this is how this module will work. If you have any doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.